Everybody, okay, everybody, welcome to the stream G2G live stream. It's G2G Friday. Every Friday we are doing this. Every Friday we are doing this, okay? Okay, so we didn't need any reason to start. We just started because we have to keep this going on. The culture, the family thing, we have to keep it going on. So, guys, one thing for sure, I've got an album that we are launching by the end of July, but we are doing a waterfall release. Waterfall release. We will be sending this, uploading these tracks after every week on Friday. So right now we've got 3 tracks that are already live. One of the songs was out today, earlier today. So you should check it out. It's called Ndenya. It's fortunate I'll play it right here on the live stream, and I'll even also play one of the songs that's coming up next week. So get in touch. Get in touch. Okay, so for our first song, you've got this one. Mawan, ndapinda nemoyo. Ndapirira murudo. So like it's a love song, guys. Muchiona tingoti song ringotaura nezvemunhu ari kutya kupinda murudo mazvibara. So let's say you've got your girl but you're feeling kuti hapana pandakunyura panapa, but you're scared kuti is the person that you are in love with feeling that same way yekunyura deep down. Okay, welcome. I can see we've got one viewer. Comments good Indiana. I know your family. Comments tivatangoziya kuti who do we have on the platform. Okay, so just make sure you comment your name. Okay, so guys, I was saying our first song by EP called Garden Boy. Tine song inonzi ndaperera murudo. You should check it out. You should listen to it if you have not listened to it yet. So let me play the song right now. So I'm looking for this song. Where is it? Oh. Comment your name in the chat comment your name in the chat. So guys, I can't seem to find the song in this phone, but today you are fortunate. We've got a hit that we released today, Ndenya, featuring one and only Skillful. Komana Agapedza now. Okay, before we start listening to the song, here's the thing. I want you guys to listen to this song very carefully. So tutaura kuti mwana Indenya impama handiti mobva mazonzwa vhesi raSkillful. You tell me one thing. Don't forget to comment your name when you join the live stream. So here's the thing. 40 for the hit maker. Isenyayo, teo ulingenyayo. Kana mukaramba mukifamba mujidaro ayo. Musoro unotenderera. Baby uyo, ndeta wekudiniko. Wona zvakatengezera. Mwana ulingenyayo. Wandifungisa makare ndichikuda zvinhu. Totiimba maisenyayo. Designer kuchena wakazadza mumachinhumu. Baby ulingenyayo. Wandifungisa makare ndichikuda zvinhu. Totiimba maisenyayo. Designer kuchena wakazadza mumachinhumu. baby urizenya iwe bama urizenya iwe baby ndati urizenya iwe bama urizenya iwe ndati urizenya iwe bama urizenya iwe baby ndati urizenya iwe urizenya iwe
Igwati izenya mwana ulimbama chibake pamwe ndiye yatorifama chishuwo changu mbomuona
Welcome to the talk. Izenya iro again once again kana mugaramba mutivama mutidaro aiwa musoro unotenderera bebi uyo ndotawe kudiniko ona zvaakatengezera mwana uri ngenya iwe wandifungisa makare ndichikuda zvinhu totiimba maizenya iro dizaina kuchena wakazadza mumachinhumu bebi uri ndenya iwe wandifungisa makare ndichikuda zvinhu totiimba maizenya iro dizaina kuchena wakazadza mumachinhumu bebi uri zenya iwe bama uri zenya iwe bebi ndati uri zenya iwe bama uri zenya iwe ndati uri zenya iwe bama uri zenya iwe bebi ndati uri zenya iwe uri zenya iwe
Igwati izenya mwana ulimbama chibake pamwe ndiye yatorifama chishuwo changu mbomuona wakashama mukanwa chikwesha mazino skin tight malips kuzofitwa nembambamba sin chocolate anopita nimjama silaindre kuzvitupa chiri kupindirana noma blue tips chiri kupindirana anofona usiku manheru ndakarara kuti ngatitaure nyaya ndomuka ndopandagara aguess perhaps haasi perhaps ndewe strawberry lips haasi wepepsi
uri ngenya iwe ndotiimba maizenya uri ngenya iwe ndotiimba maizenya mwana uri ngenya iwe wandifungisa makare ndichikuda zvinhu ndotiimba maizenya iro dizaina kuchena wakazadza mumachinhumu bebi uri ngenya iwe wandifungisa makare ndichikuda zvinhu ndotiimba maizenya iro dizaina kuchena yo what's up family. Okay, so look, song Yige Mawan. We're talking about a new song that we released today, Ndenya featuring Skillful. Nkomana weguro wapedza now. Sahabara pakati beso. Okay, just comment your name in the chat when you join this live. Okay, let's go to the next verse. Deon is going Nkomana Jaka notitira. Baby urizenya iwe bama urizenya iwe baby ndati urizenya iwe bama urizenya iwe ndati urizenya iwe bama urizenya iwe baby ndati urizenya iwe urizenya iwe ndatimuka ndemujenya akangodira chete tokanda pakicheni unobvira uri gwenya iwe karapa chesi kunge mogodza ndobhema ndiutitoisa pasikeni zvawakatakura izvozvo bring on the table ndakatotaura nanadikesi vakatisvika pajabuna then life yava stable ndinewe kudya namambo aishuka muchando ndosaka ndatsikisa musambo veema vari kukutsvaga mabhisira awaita uri hoti wandisiya ndichimwana yo I hate to pose kana mugaramba mutivamba muchidaro aiwa musoro unotenderera bebi uyo ndotawe kudiniko ona zvaakatengezera mwana uri ngenya iwe wandifungisa makare ndichikuda zvinhu ndotiimba maizenya iro dizaina kuchena wakazadza mumachinhumu bebi uri ngenya iwe wandifungisa makare ndichikuda zvinhu ndotiimba maizenya iro dizaina kuchena wakazadza mumachinhumu bebi uri zenya iwe bama uri zenya iwe bebi ndati uri zenya iwe bama uri zenya iwe ndati uri zenya iwe bama uri zenya iwe bebi ndati uri zenya iwe uri zenya iwe
Igwati izenya mwana ulimbama chibake pamwe ndiye yatorifama chishuwo changu mbomuona wakashama mukanwa chikwesha mazino skin tight malips kuzofitwa nembambamba sin chocolate akapita nimjama zilaindre kuzvitupa chiri kupindirana noma blue tips chiri kupindurana anofona usiku manheru ndakarara kuti ngatitaure nyaya ndokandopandagara aguess perhaps haasi perhaps ndewe strawberry lips haasi wepepsi uri ngenya iwe Ndatimba maizenya.
Okay, guys.
Uri ndenya. Ndatimba maizenya.
Mwana uri ndenya iwe. Wandifungisa makare ndichikuda zvinhu. Ndotimba maizenya iwe. Tisaina kuchena vakazadza mumachinu umu. Baby uri ndenya iwe. Wandifungisa makare ndichikuda zvinhu. Ndotimba maizenya iwe. Tisaina kuchena vakazadza mumachinu umu. Baby uri zenya iwe. Okay, comment your name in the chat. Family. Welcome to this live stream. Okay, guys. We're having this tune right here, Ndenya. Okay. Saka pakupinda vhesi radio now. One. Pakupinda vhesi radio. If you listen to Ndenya yet, it's a banger, guys. And we're going to do everything in my power kuti song imbopisa zvamanje pazini. Inzwa vhesi radio. Uri zenya iwe mama uri zenya iwe baby ndati uri zenya iwe uri zenya iwe ndati ndimuka ndimuchinya akangondira chete chokanda pakicheni unobvira uri gwenya iwe karapachesi kunge mogotsa ndobhema beauty choisa paspikeni zvawakatakura izvozvo being on the table ndakatotaurana nadikesi vakati svika pachakuna then life yava stable ndinewe kudya namambo aishuga mchando ndosaka ndatsikisa musambo ema vari kukutsvaga mabhisira awaita uri hoti wandisiya ndichimwana wandifungisa makare ndichi. So guys, I would want you to listen closely, verse 1 and verse 2, and you told me like which verse is the hardest, because guys, I've pakashandwa hapo guys. You can see kuti skillful aitoda selaini rekuzvitupa tiri kupindirana datibhairororo yeah it's second to none, because like kana muri muzimu unonyatsoziva kuti kuzvitupa kunopindiranwa big time pamakombe. Everybody can relate this one. Everybody can relate. So today my challenge, guys, but most probably Vesira skillful no to my challenges. Okay, welcome to the stream, guys. I can see we've got 2 viewers on the board. Just feel free to comment your name in the chat so that it is and I can give you a proper welcome. It's family thing, G2G live stream and G2G Friday. Down in the building, ndindaenda leader zvangu kana chidozoitawo chidozoyopa panel totaura because we are family obatikirawo. So one thing for sure, this song inonzi Ndenya iyi ndisiye kuti skillful angafungewo zvaangafunga painyora malyrics, but inini ndichinyora this song ndaitoona hora ndaiona hora guys, because like one of the things that motivated this song, like we're talking about this one hot girl wekuti she can turn heads maona angosvika panzvimbo apa munhu wese anenge achitarisa chinyatsoona kuti ndiye mwana here maiziva chibva tatireka tinyore song maiziva. Ndenya munongoziva, anybody can know kuti Ndenya word zvoreva islang guys, slang dzevakomana izvi, slang dzevakomana. Ndenya techingotaura kuti chinhu chakaipisisa ichi indenya iza, then mbama kubvira kudhara kuti hai chimoko ichi mpama yechimoko. So that's when I wrote this song. In the my lyrical flows anozongouya ega zvawo kana chinhu chane structure kana chane skeleton, my lyrics anozongobatika, but skillful. It really surprised me on this one. Once again on his verse, like akandiburira. I can listen this even 1,000s of times. Mama, uri Ndenya iwe, baby ndati uri zenya iwe. Mama, uri Ndenya iwe, ndati uri zenya iwe. Mama, uri zenya iwe, baby ndati uri zenya iwe. Uri zenya iwe,
igwati izenya mwana uyimbama asi chibage pamwe ndiye yatorifama chishuwo changu kumbomuonawo akashama mukanwa chikwesha mazino skin tight mahips kuzofitwa nembambamba skin chocolate anofita nemujama selaini rekuzvitupa chiri kupindirana nomablue tips chiri kupindurana anofona usiku manheru ndakarara otingatitaure nyaya ndomuka ndopandagara I guess perhaps haazodi perhaps ndewe strawberry lips haasi wepepsi uri ndenya ndimba maizenya uri ndenya ndimba maizenya
mwana uri ndenya wandibvungisa makare. Okay, so guys, you can listen to the rest of the song on my YouTube channel yakanyorwa nzi Deon G2G handle. That's my YouTube handle. But ukangosearcha kuti Deon kana kuti ndenya yakubuda pa YouTube and even Spotify, even Audiomack, SoundCloud, and all other major DSPs. Per TikTok, iripo foot for my challenges, per FB, per Insta. So guys, you should check out this song. I know it's just a matter of time and exposure, but this one could be a Zimbabwean anthem because I'm one. This is a nighttime club banger. And pakabatwa basa and ndenya dzinenge dzirimo kamamaklabu zvamamanje sengenhasi Friday G2G Friday ndopate chitoda zvekutoti makoma aya tikarova iwaya zveFriday panopisa. So guys, we're saying tine album redu G2G, right? So G2G mukona kuti tine masong 8, but I felt as much if I give you as 8 kawani imndokuziyai mova mangochuza one ya munoda mova masiyana nevamwezi. So I'm giving chance for each and every song so that you listen monyatonakirwa nesong nenguva yayo. For this one ndenya, let's go with it this weekend, next weekend. Up until you can listen to ndenya chero kusvika December tichingonakirwa guys. Okay, welcome to this stream. I can see we've got a viewer down there, and please can you join us stream? Just comment your name so that we can give you a warm welcome. This is a family thing, G2G family. Okay, so one thing, Tachiti, just go and stream Ndenya. And we have also another song like Raboda last week, Inonzi Nobody. I could play it for you, but maybe next week because we are doing a rounds up for 4 tracks next week. Next week, Pani song at Robo Design on the Lock and Key. So right now, I'll just give you a teaser. Let me play the song Lock and Key, my one. It's featuring a female artist. Anopedza. Her name is Philly Anopedza Bora. We've got 2 tracks in this album with Philly as a featuring artist. So make sure you can go and check her accounts, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, because she's a good artist. I promise you that. So right now, okay, let me give you a teaser. Let me give you like a small snippet of what this track is about. I'm a one. It's Lock and Key. So listen carefully. Hola. That's not the track. Okay, so it's a new track. Ndenya. Go and check Ndenya on YouTube, on Spotify, on Audiomack. We've got Ndenya there. It's live today. We've got Ndenya live today. So right now, check this out. A new track that is coming next Friday. and be ready guys, iri ma1 because it pachatambwa totomborwa madance. I'm in the middle of forming a dance routine rakaipa rekuti titambe pane this one Lock and Key. Okay, so album iri harichanakidza richanakidza, and we are going to do a mixtape of this album guys. So listen to Deon featuring Philly.
A typical Philly.
Down. Mukationa takanechesa ipeturo nemachisa mana andipengesa motodedza machisamba lokenki isu tiri lokenki na bebi tinenge tiri lokenki muchazvona asi hamuzviji kadresingeke kuti vabvidze lokenki isu tiri lokenki muchazvona asi hamuzviji kadresingeke kuti vabvidze lokenki isu tiri lokenki rudo wako wandipikisa hakuna mumwe wandodisisa
Okay, I can see we've got a viewer right here. Can you please just comment your name in the comment section? Tingozo Tinani on the stream. Thank you for being there. So I would like your favor. After this stream you can go and check on Denya new song yedu yarabuditsa inonzi Denya featuring Skillful akaipa guys. Mukomana wekurova pedza navo kuno kuti iri kupedza navo. So apa akapedza name apa guys, pandenya akapedza name. So that's the song that we are mainly talking about today, but we also have a previous track called Nobody, and ichacheukira nobody, girl I love your body, oh my god. So you should check it out also. Guys, ne album tikutofamba, this EP rinonzi Garden Boy tikufamba because on my YouTube channel it has made me rake up about 10k views on a channel that was created last month but one dzakawanda 10k views at this the show mandate. And then on Mkanya, thank you guys for your support. We are close to 1k right now. And zvikunakidza because this is a new channel that I created, YouTube channel, and it's raking up views, raking up likes, raking up your comments, guys. I appreciate your support. So I would like you to comment your name in the comment section. So it is Nani, like I would love that. I would love to shout out your name because this is about family. This is about friends. Okay. So thank you for showing up. Now I'm playing this song, Lock and Key from Bottom.
A typical Philly.
Down. Mukationa takamikisa ipeturo nemachisa mana andipengesa motodedza machisamba lokenki isu tiri lokenki na bebi tinenge tiri lokenki muchazvona asi hamuzviji kadresingeke kuti vabvidze lokenki isu tiri lokenki muchazvona asi hamuzviji kadresingeke kuti vabvidze lokenki isu tiri lokenki
Nitakoda wandipengesa rudo wako wandipekeza hakuna mumwe wandodisisa wandipilibiza iwe wandinakidza I'm the love you picky
Eight on this one.
unondipa mafirudo toitasekugenda winaloto andipedaka kusiyanduono
muchazvona asi hamuzviji kadresingeke kuti vabvidze lokenki.
Okay. Enough of this one. So, guys, these are the next tune on this album that we are releasing week by week. a new track, week by week, a new track. So this one is called Lock and Key. I hope you like it. And mufana warm up, guys, because tuma dance, tuma challenges on this one, Lock and Key. And as well, kuramba tichiburitsa hatikuzomira pamadhanza apa mufana kutogara maita warm up, because we've got another tune futi tiri kuda machallenges emadances rinonzi Sexira, guys. Okay, nothing actually explicit there, but it's a nice tune. It's a nice tune. You can check out my TikTok account. Ndakamboburitsa tumwe tuma clips twemasongs ari kuuya. We've got Sexira, we've got Tender Love, we've got Lock and Key. Okay, thank you guys who is in the building. It will be nice to comment your name so that I can make shouts outs to you guys. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for showing up. So today, guys, we are talking about Ndenya, guys. And Ndenya yakaipa. Ndenya yakaipa. Kana une motikari yako, kana une speaker rako riri mudenga, can you try to download Ndenya ku YouTube, ku Audiomack, ku Spotify? You won't be disappointed. Uchanakirwa chete. So I see this one. Okay. Chido, what's up? Shout out to Chido for showing up. Shout out to Chido. Okay, so Chido inzaka akakelook and kiga and dimon arimlove. You can do a challenge and it. A partner yako kana mazoda zvenyu. I will post the challenge. Ndichatanga ni aka ka challenge ke Lock and Key, so that you guys mumbonakizwe. Okay. So today tine Ndenya, guys. I can play again Ndenya because most of you were not around in Pandamboy play. Let me play Ndenya again. I'm a one. Takafeature nemkomana unzi Skillful ekuimba pedza navo kuno kutiri kupedza navo. Wala masongo achakawandisa, guys, akawandisa. Tine zvakawanda zvekukupakurirai, especially on this album, guys. You'll be amazed. 8 tracks. So from top to bottom tine Ndaperera murudo, tobva tanoti Nobody, tobva tanoti Ndenya, tobva tati Lock and Key, Sexira, we've got Gold Digger, we have Tender Love, we have SFG, Sugar Fine Girl. So right now I can play Ndenya, guys, because this tune is hot. And you should check it out on YouTube. Check it out on any platform of your choice. Ndokuziya kuti munofara YouTube, guys. So thank you for showing up, because this is nice. It's all about family. Thank you, Chido, for showing up. And I can see this other guy. I don't know who else in the chat, so that I can shout out to you. Shout out to Chido Nyakurukwa. Thanks for supporting. Okay. So Ndenya, I'm playing once again. Ndenya, I'm not boy feel like I'm sipo panda boy.
Sorry for the hit maker.
Ndenya yo, Teo uri Ndenya yo. Kana mugaramba mujivamba mujidaro ayo. Musoro unotenderera. Baby uyo, ndetawe kudiniko. Ona zvakatengezera. Mwana uri Ndenya yo. Wandifungisa makare ndichikuda zvinhu. Ndotimba maizenya iro. Designer kuchena wakazadza mumajinu umu. Baby uri Ndenya iwe. Wandifungisa makare ndichikuda zvinhu. Ndotimba maizenya iro. Designer kuchena wakazadza mumajinu umu. Baby uri Zenya iwe. Pama uri Ndenya iwe. Baby ndati uri Zenya iwe. Pama uri Ndenya iwe. Ndati uri Zenya iwe. Pama uri Zenya iwe. Baby ndati uri Zenya iwe. Let's go for
igwati izenya mwana uimbama asi chibage pamwe ndiye yatorifama chishuwo changu kumbomuonawo akashama mukanwa chikwesha mazino skin tight malips kuzofitwa nembambamba skin chocolate anopita nimujama selaini rekuzvitupa tiri kupindirana nomablue tips tiri kupindurana anofona usiku manheru ndakarara oti ngatitaure nyaya ndomuka ndakara aguess perhaps haazodi perhaps ndewe strawberry lips haasi wepepsi uri ngenya iwe ndotimba maizenya uri ngenya iwe ndotimba maizenya
mwana uri ngenya iwe wandibvungisa makare ndichikuda ndotimba maizenya iwe disaina kuchena wakazadza mumachinu umu bebi uri ndenya iwe wandibvungisa makare ndichikuda zvinhu ndotimba maizenya iwe disaina kuchena wakazadza mumachinu umu bebi uri zenya iwe pama uri ndenya iwe bebi ndati uri zenya iwe pama uri ndenya iwe ndati uri zenya iwe pama uri zenya iwe bebi ndati uri zenya iwe uri zenya iwe ndati ndimuka ndimuchenya akangobvira chete tokanda pakicheni unobvira uri gwenya iwe gara pachesi kunge mugodza ndobhema beauty toisa pasikeni zvawakatakura izvozvo bring on the table ndakatotaurana nandikezi vakazvisvika pachakuna then life yava stable ndinewe kudya namambo aishuga muchando ndosaka ndatsikisa musambo ema vari kukutsvaga mapisiro awaita uri hoti wandisiya ndichimwana wandibvungisa okay guys this one is a nice tune, guys. You should try to check it out. Ndenya on YouTube, Ndenya on Spotify. We've been playing it, stream Rishingotanga, because I want you guys to listen deeply to the lyrics, because repetition make things perfect. So right now, we still have around I think 18 minutes left until we end this stream. And thank you for being there. Maramba nema comments yenyu kuti ndiana ari pa stream. So I want to talk about this album, Garden Boy. Okay, Garden Boy, you might be wondering, what is Garden Boy? Sorry, Garden Boy, what is going on? So sorry for this one. Okay, so the thing is, Deon has never been a Garden Boy, no. But the context of the album, man, changed by Babs Tangira. Garden Boy to tell this guy, let's say I'm a garden boy, and take it for instance, I'm a garden boy, and I'm surrounded by so many flowers. You see, I'm surrounded by beds of so many flowers, but in the end, the garden boy just pick his favorite flower. So that's one of the thing about Garden Boy. It has a context where a Deon and the Garden Boy over no pick a favorite flower again. So that's the thing. We're talking about Deon meeting with so many girls, so many women, but end up choosing one special woman, though the motive a Garden Boy guy. So this album, I hope you enjoy, and it's not all about Deon, it's all about you also, because we're talking about sugar fine girl, we're talking about, for men, Bunny on the gold digger featuring Skillful. Akazi mcharo mondiregera ipapo because pakaipa maituko ipapo, but maisanya yutuko maitsurwa. You see, one of the thing about Garden Boy, anotsura, praise, and as well he cherishes that one special flower. Guys, thank you for joining this stream, and I'm really grateful. I appreciate it. And let's make Ndenya a hit. You can share it with your brothers, with your sisters, with anybody. This is about family, okay? This is about family. So make sure you stream Ndenya, you subscribe, you hit the notification button, and you share it. You share. You can challenge it on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, because iriko kwese koko, iriko handiti. So apa guys, I hope manzwisisa kuti Garden Boy zvinonyatso metaphorically, I mean ndo chirungu chacho. Metaphorically, but that's the thing, that's the concept here. Garden Boy ari kushanda nemaflowers. Oh boy, you see so many beds of flowers, but he ended up choosing one special flower amongst them all. So that's where the tricks come in. Ndaperera murudo handichacheukira nobody. Mwana uri ndenya. You see, it adds up from where you're meeting this special flower that I'm talking about. So shout out to this special flower. I hope one day ndichakurivhila kuti ndeupi kune vagara vachimuziva special flower. Bo, it means that you are so much close. But okay, we also have so many songs. We have releases at data before. Tine Toast, Tine Poster, Tine Mkanya. These were my first releases this year, and also some freestyles. Mangwanda kangoita ma freestyle. So apa ndokuplayira Mkanya because Mkanya murikundipa manyemwe guys. I can play this one because ndimaita kuti iende kumberi. Ndimaita kuti Mkanya iende kumberi. It's close to 1k views right now as we speak, and it's only because of you. Ndimi muri kuzviita. Keep supporting munhu wenyu guys. G2G Friday, we are family. So this is Mkanya, from top to bottom.
Pepperman on the beat.
Mkanya, Machikanya era, Teun, Beta Mkanya Sanikanya, Kupatisa Mkanya, Amsani Tangai, Shadanya Mkanya Vanopinda Baikinya, Mkanya Vakakunya, Kudarika Makunya, Mkanya Vakazia, Kupura Mshana Vanozia, Vane chimwe chibudokudochia, Pinza vanovazia, vachichururuka kungezia, Mkanya zvazvinu, Mkanya zvazvinu, Mukanya 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 zvazvinu, apa nechipinu, havavhunduke chinhu, vamwe voti hanzi ndimurehwa, zvavarehwa, hatisi kutaura zvemurodhewa, ndivo mapiramiti, chamakakwira kwasvibachi, Mukanya, aiwa makanyanya, pamabahanzi ndipo pamabona, Mukanya, havazive kudhumana nawo pakona, tarisa maoko ayo, ndiso kwavo, muni zvimambava, Mukanya havavhunduke makava, vanodya zvinovava, Mukanya zvazvinu, 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 Tekuna sofi, Mukanya vaite zvemaselfi, nono, apa futi havatani kubhuta-bhuta, mukaita zvekutamba vanobhuta-guta, Mukanya havavhunduke motokuputa, chavanongoda kakugara vakaguta.
Okay, guys. Let's not get so much carried away. Thank you for 1k streams on Mkanya, on YouTube also. Ku Spotify amusikubatika, ku audio maga amusikubatika, but still I appreciate on YouTube you made the song reach 1k views. It's a milestone for me guys. I can tell you kure kwa 20 sheets ago 1k 1k vanhu vachitokuona kuti uyu nditeunu mawan. So thank you for this one. Hey, the song Poster yakakura guys. It's a sci-fi. I found out that not many people streamed this song, but still it's fine. We've got 14 views, I don't know, cause like it's a long song. Yakakura in 6 minutes ichingo player, but atadze kungoisa wakatiza keposter because it's a nice song that you need to listen to. Ndise Poster, you know, it's a song where I'm hungry for this podium. I'm hungry for being there on stage so that I can show what I can do. You see, perform. I mean, I've performed before. I think thrice or I mean for 4 times, but here on poster, I'm saying this paper poster because I'm hungry for it, guys. I'm hungry kutombo pinda pachi stage pepe yatobva tadi taroka dance saka toda maposter mahombe. So I'll just play the intro, then we move next to something else. Oh, shout out in America. The Ruan. Dice papuska, akumana dice papuska, ipatanira kusha, takuda ukupinda pamamunya, takuda ukupinda pamamunya se papuska, akumana dice papuska, ipatanira kusha, takuda ukupinda pamamunya. Pabasa Shabadara Kutodarika Rumos, Palmasina and the Posta de Lake, Antipa Mike, Dara, my rhymes with Makagara, Marapit. I was Shukuku, the singing bill, Yamajara, Usadi Kujame, who no one display, Otopunda by force, my truth, over coast, my flows, need the switch, I come the switch, energy, plus you want my baby. This is Deon Face for this one. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, guys. So let's keep supporting the movement. Let's keep supporting your fellow brother Deun. Kana kuti mukanya ningangoda kungoningira ndimukanya vana vandimukanya diti. So let's keep supporting this song in 14 views. Please. And I'm gonna check. I know the poster song and Anchiriza just now. Poster, check our song poster. Ndenya, Nobody, Toast, Mkanya. Yes, and just keep waiting a little longer for the next song, Lock and Key. So right now, guys, Rombo Grade freestyle. One freestyle, so I'm looking for a beat panap. Kana kuti ndichangokuimbira freestyle randakamborowa kudhara. And I hope you enjoy this last part because we are close to 45 minutes right now. Our streams only last 45 minutes. We will improve. My streams here, guys, live stream will improve from 45 minutes to an hour to 1.5 to 2 hours, as long as you keep showing up. But for now, Tagudaku ended this live stream. So thank you for showing up, guys. Thank you for being there for a fellow brother. So again today also we can go already freestyle one as I finish up. This trick is a feature NBA with King Divas. So here's the face that the guys do. So oh, big dreams, Joshua Janukuba, big fish. I gotta wake from 6 to 6. Trouble tryna be little me, but I'm big. Does even tomorrow I gonna be somebody. Jamus time discover me. Kuna no de kundi wisa. Cadillac escalate from my offspring. Diva di driver or Rossi. Life kepadinga. Doyan dochi. The sangana ne hope commandosis. Now, Chakuda or toasty. Cheese to more wings. Cheese. One day, muchaniti bossy. Day. Na day. One day we gon' be there. Tokara, the choose a day. One day it's a one day. a one day. Okay, guys, thank you. One day is a one day. We'll make it to the top. G2G Friday, G2G family. Thank you for being there, guys. I appreciate. And we are ending this stream. This is the end of this stream. Thank you for showing up. Thank you, Chido. Thank you, everybody who showed up on this stream. I really appreciate your help. I really appreciate your support. Like, I'm not on the daddy, guys. It's not on that name. And you are those type of people who could see. I'll keep your names in my mind, in my heart, because you are there. So this is the end of the stream. Thank you for showing up. We will improve on our time. For example, pani patichaitama 1 hour, patichaitama 2 hours. End of July, we are having maybe a 1.5 hour stream. Tichita virtual album launch. But iroro amfani utomboshaika. We are doing a virtual album launch. Tineti my live instruments. We are doing this on 26th of July. So thank you. Chido. Okay, so thank you guys. This is the end of the stream. And thank you so much. So see you next Friday. Musarigedze kubatika guys, because like ndine zvandakatokugadzira ndine mamwe mafreestyle mahomba atoda kukuroverai. And if you feel like you missed out something because of your network jamming or something, this stream will still be available for you to watch later on YouTube. So stay in touch. Thank you. Peace.